Oh my god, I just realized how bad my mic quality is. Enjoy! Hello everyone, and today we're playing Microwave Dinner. I want dinner. Oh? Oh, we're supposed to go outside. Oh no! We're inside her?! Wait, her, right? That. I'm assuming, okay. No. No? We can double jump. Hey! Hey, robot! Yeah, you! I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheels of yours. You could even step across the water to the lighthouse. That would be so cool. Oh. No. No. Let's go. Wait, track go. Oh, we can track it. That's neat. Safe. What? How do I get back? I forgot how to hover. I'm back. Ah! More yummy fruit snack time. Yay! I'm gonna make it. Oh. I made it. Oh. What's that? I didn't even mean to find it. Oh, let me in. Please. Oh, no. No! I reckon you one of them tourists. Welcome to Blue Fort Park. You've met the best farmer on this island. That I am. Oh my god! Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom. Let's go up to the fortress. They might have something. Gold. Yes! No! There's turkey legs on the house. That's 60. Wait. I can go in there. Huh? Carrots? Restaurant. Hi, Bob. Welcome to the restaurant. Why am I doing a country? Oh, a robot? A microwave robot! You must be here for a job. Go talk to the chef, Bob. He's straight in the kitchen. I didn't sign up. He's bouncy. Hi! Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. No, that's the wrong accent. Hi, I'm a chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking. Nobody will help me. Who said I would help? I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in that pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Lettuce. I don't think I can remember that. Now let's put you in the pot of gloriness. Boop. I finished. Okay. What happens if I just don't talk to him? Fine. Whoa! You got everything! Thanks! This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But, did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? Restaurant's pet? I'm messing with you. It must have been another fish you had, right? Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You could have it. What's that? Yo, I got a microwave dinner! It's the name of the name! What's the name of the game? You have to get to and then deposit them. Ah. Paint traders. Whoa. Buy star points. Oh, I love this. Ah. Sure. Yay! Hey. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! You seem interested in paint. I can see it in the eye. Let me, in a little secret, okay? I got new shipments every day, and out of my merchandise is always changing. So I want to check back regularly. You get me? This shop is, let's call it a charitable fundraiser. Don't leave here without buying something. Buying paint helps with support of a development team. Thank you. I did. Oh, a lava paint. Give you that one for 200. It's a steal, really. Well, the thing is, I can't afford it. I only have 50. I might just do like a purple. Yeah, purple. Oh, a purple paint. I'll give you that one for 10 star points. Will you buy it? Yes. Yay! Purple paint has been unlocked. You can jump in the paint can to wear it. Also, use your outfit screen to fish bot. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you for your purchase. Oh my god, I'm purple now! Okay, let's leave this place. Okay, what's over here? Use lever. This is how I get hats. Yo. I can do it again, right? Yeah! Oh! We all know which one I'm choosing. Junkbot. Hey! Another robot! A microwave robot! Boy, don't you see that every day now, do you? Anyways, I'm Junkbot, and I make all sorts of stuff from junk and scraps. So if you're looking for arcades, you came to the right place. If you can scratch up 3 pieces of scrap, I'll give you a movement upgrade. It'll allow you to go fast. It'll light your tires on fire. So you can get those 3 scraps, I can help you out. I'll be here if you need anything else. Okay, so we have to get 26 more. Oh no, try to. Do I get extra points for doing tricks? No? Okay. Hey, I got 200. I can now go to the lighthouse. Ooh, there's a treasure chest. Oh, this is one of the junk parts. For my movement upgrade. I can open the gates. Give me inside. Inside the lighthouse. Yeah, people don't want to watch this. But there you go. We did it! Oh, poor lighthouse. How sad. Oh, hi. I was just looking at the lighthouse. Have you been inside it? They stopped construction halfway. We're renovating inside, and I can't even get to the top because the staircase isn't complete. Maybe you could get to the top. I've seen you jumping around. You're like a ninja. Well, I already was at the top, and I already got my microwave dinner. So let's go over there. Let's just do a quick zoom in trick. Wait. I don't know how to do a zoom in trick. Let's just try this. And we're here. Starting upgrade. Please wait. Watch for falling rocks. Wait, watch for what? Yo! FridgeBot's power core has been upgraded. Scanning for new worlds. A new world has been found. Confirming fuel. You have enough fuel. You can now travel to worlds using the hologram console. It says upgrade will unlock to world 1. Yo, I can wear hats now! Oh. Wait, that's an actual t-shirt. Oh my god, I looked like such a gamer. Damn. Damn. Well, I can choose my paints here. That's cool. You can now access the outfit screen anytime by pressing the button at the top of your screen. Oh, sweet. I think that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. Liking the video. I don't know. Just like it. And see ya.